Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change who can send you message requests on X. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up X, click on the little message symbol in the bottom right, and you should see a settings cog on the top right. So you just want to tap on that. Then once you're on here, you should see at the top allow message requests from, and it'll just let you know people you follow will always be able to message you. Then you'll get three options on here, so you can set it up as no one, you can change it to verified users, or you can also select everyone. So that's how you can change who can send you message requests on X. Thanks for watching.